You want a tablet this Christmas? Of course, either you already have a tablet or just looking for your first tablet, this might be on the top of your list. Guys, this is the Huawei Matepad 11-inch PaperMatte Edition. Take note of what I said, PaperMatte Edition. By far, this is the most unique tablet I've seen so far because of its paper matte display. So to give you context, what is paper matte? It's really a unique display similar to having the sensation to write like a paper on the display itself. Secondary is, look at this display. It doesn't have any glare, no shining refractions coming from any source of light, and that kind of vividness and brightness that it can give you anywhere, anytime, even on direct sunlight. So this is really a very good display, especially for more of creators and note takers. So to give you more context, this tablet is 11-inch, paper matte display, has its Bluetooth keyboard that's detachable from its slate as well. So just dock it, and its own M Pencil or second generation M Pencil by Huawei that you can dock on top. So this is just the basic package of it. It's really like a PC, but it's a tablet that enables you to have more touch, more flexibility, and the ultimate portability of a tablet. So right now, let's check of what the Huawei Matepad 11-inch Paper Matte Edition can give you, and who is it really for? How is it really going to benefit you? And let's check it out together. First and foremost, who are going to use the Huawei Matepad 11-inch Paper Matte Edition? I'm looking here at two kinds of people. One are the emerging class in terms of if you're a college student, most likely you're going to have the need to have a digital device to be always 24/7 connected into the internet. And what a way to have your college life enabled by taking down notes through your very own pencil, and also, of course, through this application that we call Huawei Notes. So inside Huawei Notes, you'll be able to open notebooks and then add pages. Like for example, take down notes. Now is the time to get tablet. So just in case you had any mistakes, just double press pen itself, and then it will change into an eraser. So on this one, technically I'm writing in multiple pages. You can easily add more just in case you're in algebra. 5x plus 9 squared equals B. I really forgot my algebra already. Anyways guys, this is kind of a note-taking that's by far taking it to the next level. What if you're looking for that kind of notes that you just took? So keywords are 5x technically, so that it's still connected to the keyboard. So let me just put it on the kickstand here, then dock it 5x, then search. You can actually see here the actual computation that I just wrote was able to be found through the search engine. So the search engine inside the Huawei Notes, it's able to find handwriting or even on text input. So those are the wonders in terms of digital note-taking right now on a tablet, not like before that you really have to skim through a lot of pages, right, just to give you that kind of flexibility. Now it's more AI driven, it's much faster, it's much more intuitive. Of course, second diamond graphics here is really the one I'm not really a forte of, but I could see here that this could be also for calligraphy and also for sketch people, meaning if you like to draw. Now, the Huawei Matepad 11-inch Paper Matte Edition has certifications when it comes to the eye care. On this one, I'll just elaborate more of why do we really need this kind of certifications or this kind of certifications. It's really intended for you to have the confidence of using this tablet from day to night when it comes to your multiple subjects. Go to your school from the morning, go home, but still you're confident in using the tablet, either for for school, for work, for leisure, this tablet can give you that kind of certification in terms of eye care that it won't strain your eyes. It won't bother your eyes too much in terms of glare as compared to other devices because it has the PaperMatte Edition display. They say that this kind of optimization when it comes to the eyes also delivers better productivity index when it comes to whatever you are doing. So ibig sabihin yon, it's less eye fatigue, it's less brain fatigue as well. Okay, on that point, it's giving you the maximum opportunity to use the device anywhere, anytime. It's simple as that. Of course, when we use the M Pencil, this is already the second generation M Pencil. It has 4096 levels of sensitivity pressure here, which means that you can glide through in any kind of pressure to give you more accuracy in whatever you're doing. Either it's more of sketching, drawing, or notes taking. But take note, there's two types of tips for this kind of pencil. First tip is a very similar in terms of, here you can see it's more of a transparent style of a tip. And then second, just unscrew it, you'll be able to change it into more of a pencil type directly. You know what? It's really nice to listen when the paper matte display glides through the actual pen. I wish I could let you hear more, but technically it's really something that you should hear and feel directly by yourselves in order to believe so. But promise, this is really much better than typing on a glossy display without any kinds of texture that will give you that kind of impression that is just gliding through glass. But this one, since this glass is paper matte display, it has the kind of texture that you're looking for and that kind of resistance when it comes to writing on paper. So whether it's in portrait or in landscape, it's really nice to have that kind of flexibility, especially if you're really an on-the-go person. Now, this tablet is also very capable. When it comes to its overall package, it's like already an PC level in terms of its productivity. So on a tablet that has a keyboard at stylus, it's touchscreen and very mobile, it has a Snapdragon 870 processor, 8GB of RAM, and 128GB of storage. It means that it can do multitasking ahead. So to give you more context on this one, like for example, having multiple screen or multiple apps in just one screen is also possible. All you have to do here is YouTube, here is the notes, but just in case you want to pull out a calculator, perhaps all you have to do is just swipe left or swipe to the corner and then apply here a multiple floating app. So like for example, you're taking down notes here and then suddenly you need to take some notes when it comes to your calculation, 50 multiplied by or 80 multiplied by 4, 320, so equals here. So it has that kind of flexibility when it comes to multiple apps in one screen and also floating app gestures. So it's no longer before whereas you're using a tablet one at a time. Now it's really giving you that kind of flexibility. Plus, if you have a Huawei smartphone already in your ecosystem or even a laptop, you can use super device in order to combine or cast screens within each other so that you can control the screen of the tablet within a laptop, or this tablet can have the feed of your phone, so you don't have to juggle. Like for example, while using the tablet, you have to use your phone and then back and forth. You don't have to do that anymore with super device connectivity on the Huawei device. Of course, on this device, you can also download a lot of applications. I'll just give you some samples down below or in the screen what you can download, but technically from productivity apps to even to applications that can open a lot of files, like for example Word, Excel, PowerPoint, those kind of things can be handled by this tablet. So I'm really impressed in terms of the flexibility that it gives, whereas the ultimate benefit here is with a strong processor, a lot of storage, and then that kind of flexibility. Either it's just a tablet or the one with the keyboard and then pull out a stylus anytime, anywhere is really a godsend feature that it can give you multiple ways in order to enjoy while using this tablet. Aside from those things that I mentioned about this tablet, I really like two things more about this one. So this is 11 inches in display. Very portable, narrow, slim edges, and really loud speaker. It has 4 stereo speakers that gives you powerful output. Secondary is the Wi-Fi speed. Speed test right now. This is my house. So overall, let's see. As you can see here, I'm reaching minimum 200 Mbps when it comes to my house. And this is all because that it is Wi-Fi 6 enabled. There are a lot of Wi-Fi devices here in my studio or technically in my house, but I don't have any problems in terms of congestion because technically this tablet is already equipped with the latest Wi-Fi 6 that gives you more flexibility and connectivity as compared to other Wi-Fi 5 or 2.4 GHz connections. So how much is the Huawei Matepad 11-inch PaperMatte Edition for a tablet that has a very, the only PaperMatte display in the market right now? An included M Pencil, 2nd generation, its own casing when it comes to the tablet that has a Bluetooth keyboard. So just snap it, then dock it. And mind you guys, the casing itself or the Bluetooth keyboard case is really nice. It's made of very durable materials and has that faux leather feeling as well. Overall, for 29,999 pesos, you're still getting a lot of things included as freebies as well. So on a tablet with Snapdragon 870, 8GB of RAM, and 1 to 8 GB of storage, again, quad speakers, PaperMatte display, you have here a Bluetooth keyboard with the kickstand that's detachable as well for 6,999 pesos. You have here an M Pencil worth 5,999 pesos. They even included other freebies such as a Bluetooth mouse, subscription for WPS Office Pro, and in order to have that kind of subscription to enable you higher productivity in opening your files like Word, Excel, and even PowerPoint, and other subscriptions like, for example, 1 year of View subscription plus free online classes through Huawei's partnership. So all of those freebies is more than 21,000 pesos in freebies. So it's really nice to have a tablet that's really capable, portable, and also worth the money when you avail now. This can be really availed starting from October 5th until October 31st. There's more. You have the option to also trade in a device just in case. Just visit a Huawei store or select Huawei stores for the evaluation, and you get on top 3,000 pesos worth of token as gift on top of your trade-in. This means that you have a higher value in terms of your trade-in, so you can get the latest tablet with a PaperMatte display. If you're really serious about a tablet that you can really use for productivity, not only entertainment, because a lot of people misconceptualizes a tablet just for entertainment or just playing games. But now tablets have become even more affordable, more powerful, and can deliver you PC-like experience for just 29,999 pesos. I really think that the Huawei Matepad 11-inch PaperMatte Edition is one of those tablets that can enable you, plus tempt you, especially with its pre-order bundle, to get a tablet. Yep, with that, guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. If you have any questions about this product, just shoot me and comment down below, and support me by subscribing and also following us on our social media pages. Make sure to visit our official website as well, www.hungrygeeks.com.ph, to get updated on the latest tech news here in the Philippines. So with that, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and see you on the next time. Bye! Hey guys, welcome back to Hungry Geeks, and this is... Ano ba yan? May tricycle na dumaan.